Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ha kasian ka beningkong ka BJP Meghalaya State Unit ha ka arpon rio tarik ujellio arja pun rio. Kala penskam ya ka Shnat rekam bapura ka balatep kum ka BJP Mawlai mandal ya ka balakli de uba Synshar mayong kum presiden. Ya kani ka kenhun ka bala Ïalam de uba Synshar. La pediangso bahabat la penskam de state president ka BJP. U Rikman G Momen ringkat ka jiadon lang u MLA ka parti u ba Sanbor Shulai bat kiwei ki nong Ïalam bahakmat ha ka jialang ka balalong ha opes trikam jong ka parti ha kani ka jialang la pen scam ru yaki lai pungot kiwei pat ki nong Ïalam jong ka Mawlai mandal unit
Ani ko ni sabe so benai lu tu boleh try kena nong tau. Kalau nong pelong ni gigi baru. Ya ngapur pula aji. Bang ye don nak janji ke pemerintah. Akan di office jumpa di BJP. Hakaba la perskam ni kum kita kinong tikam. Oker banyak try. Na kumta kapha kami hake imlang salang abat Constituency jomi.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in. Bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.